Today we are going to visit IKEA Perth. This IKEA is at the end of Cedric Street. Okay, now I'm going to go find some parking, and IKEA is just in front of us.
哦，sushi 娃娃那边啊，
你懂吗？
那天我给你看 menu 讲很贵嘞。这个 T4，这叫什么 area 嘞
你去 map 看 Cedric，
？Cedric，
不是它 Cedric。哦，
discount 给 miss，那我记得是在这个 discount 给 miss。
是哎。
要去太久了，这样很久才到的。
Heading into the car entrance. The parking here is huge, so you got lots of parking spaces here to park your car. I am searching for a parking that's near the entrance, so it's easy to head into IKEA.
更早就这样满了。哦，那按摩 BYD 更早就这样。
哦，还是来给。
Finally found parking and now walking into IKEA. This is definitely my favorite place. This is where you can get food here at IKEA. The first thing to do here is to get a trolley to put the food that you want to eat. Just go to this display area and then grab the food and later pay at the counter. These are what we got. Alright, these are the food we got and time to eat. We found a table here and it's time to eat. Okay, now let's go to the toy section. This is a cute ape. Now getting some coffee here. There's a cafe too.
Wait, look at order chips.
哦，你看你的 cream，我来cheese 啊。